Hunter, see what Papa G got you. Oh, cool. All right. You got a hard hat. Bob the Builder. And tools in a tool belt. Alright.
Put it on him, Daddy.
Bob the Builder, come here. Come here, Bob the Builder. Turn around.
Hunter said, can we fix it?
Bob the Builder.
Hunter, sing Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder, can we fix? Oh well.
I'll just leave that out like that. Come here, Hunter. Put your tools in there. Come here, baby. Oh, screwdriver goes over here. Yeah. Yay! Did you get some tools from Papa? Alright, show Mommy.
Lucy! Oh, you're so cute!
Oh, he's not done?
Okay.
Got a hammer. Got a saw. And
Okay. What up, miss?
He went to go get him some more coffee. Because he wants to see his pictures.
So where'd your axe go? Does it go right here? Yeah, that's where it goes. Where do the pliers go? Let's see.
There.
Right there? I don't think so. Here, just hold your pliers.
Hey, turn around.
Alright, show Nana.
So, I'm Bob the Builder.
Alright.
Hi, Bob the Builder.
Yay! Say thank you.
Cheers, huh?
Thank you.